Now you can have a different avenues of making money. You can work in your job and you can do it. You can be a freelancer, you can do an online creator, or you can do a traditional business or so many other things and create a multiple sources of income for yourself. What's your game plan to take your financial growth to the 10x level? Everybody wants a financial freedom and everybody is looking for different ways to get that financial freedom. Whether you are working in a job, whether you are doing some hustle, whether you are doing a freelancer or maybe doing the traditional or the online business. But what are your game plans? Unfortunately, nobody teaches us this game plan in our life, and we end up having just happy-go-lucky kind of a situation where we are just moving in one direction and we are waiting for that success in the financial terms. And that is the reason you must work out your game plan for your financial growth as well. These are the three game plans that you can always work around and it will help you in your financial growth. Number one is about creating your influence. Now, when I talk about the creating an influence, you have already acquired certain level of knowledge, skill, talent, expertise, and everything. Or you are just a fresher in the world and you want to probably create a influence in the market. How will you do that? You can help others or you can add value because of your experience, knowledge, and skill and create your own social currency. Now, when you create your social currency and actually it is helping other people, you build your influence indirectly. And that is the age of social age that we are living in, where your social currency will actually give you the biggest influence in the market, and it provides you the platform where you can create your influence over and over and over and over and increase it to the exponential level. The number two game plan that you always need to work around is the impact. Now, you might be probably having a plan of becoming a millionaire, let's say. Now, how will you become a millionaire? Can you become a millionaire just like as it is or just by doing the work that you're doing? Though there are various ways to probably becoming a millionaire. Maybe you can actually sell a product of $1 to the million people, or a 100,000 product to 10 people, and so on and so forth. Or you just keep working in your 9 to 5 and probably continue to work till you reach to the $1 million by investing, saving, so on and so forth. Now, this is without any impact. What do I mean by impact? The impact happens when you have a purpose to add value of your current life or your experience or your knowledge to other person's life. For example, in 2018, when I got laid off, I was just clueless and desperate in my life. And I was just working that, okay, I need to desperately find my new job and probably continue with my life that was going on. But instead of that, I found my purpose. I found my mission and the vision. And that has helped me to actually impact so many thousands of mid-level professionals today, so that their careers are going at an exponential level, their market values are increasing. In the same process, I am growing as well. So as soon as I increase my impact to the exponential level, I suddenly increase and attracted the financial growth along with that. Last but not the least is the income game plan. Now, the income game plan works on the three principles of money. Number one is making money. Now, you can have a different avenues of making money. You can work in your job and you can do it. You can be a freelancer, you can do an online creator, or you can do a traditional business or so many other things and create a multiple sources of income for yourself. That's a making money. Then comes the managing money. How do you manage your budget, your income, your expenses, and how do you control that entire cash flow within your life that will actually define how much wealth you will accumulate over a period of time. And last but not least is a multiplying money. That means investing the money in the right asset, right from probably learning an online course or hiring a mentor or a coach, or probably putting in the money in self-development so that you can grow exponentially and create more money and the multiple sources of income for yourself. Now, all these three, that is your influence, your impact, and your income, require a game plan. If you are just walking on the road without any plan and hoping that one day you are probably becoming the millionaire, let me tell you that most of us are just living a dream life without having any plan and strategy to back it up that dream. And if you are one of that dreamer, you must start with this three game plan. That is your influence, impact, and the income. Which one you are working on right now? Just share in the comment which one will you resonate with this. And if you resonate with this video, share it with others and subscribe to this channel so that you can actually get much more insight in your professional as well as a personal growth. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.